Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying tools, run Python version and Jupyter version so you know you have compatible installs. Once confirmed, pick the exact folder you want Jupyter to serve, such as C/users/u/notebooks or ~notebooks. Open a terminal or Anaconda prompt now and change to that folder. Use CD path to move there. This gets you into the working directory immediately and makes the next configuration steps fast and deterministic. No guessing where files will live. You generate a config file with Jupyter Notebook generate config so you can set persistent options. Then open Jupyter Notebook config. Py in an editor and change C. Notebook app. Notebook dir to the folder path you chose. Make sure to use raw string notation on Windows, for example arc \users\u/notebooks. Once done, save the file and start Jupyter to verify. If you prefer automation, create a desktop shortcut or systemd service that launches Jupyter from that directory, so you finish by launching Jupyter Notebook and verifying the browser's file view matches your configured directory. This confirms success. If it shows the wrong path, check for conflicting launch shortcuts, path entries, or virtual environment activation which can override config. Make sure file permissions allow access to the folder and that the config syntax is correct. Quotes and slashes matter. One key troubleshooting tip: if Jupyter ignores the setting, restart your shell or service and confirm there isn't a second config or command line argument overriding notebook dir.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.